So there you have it. This thing's all done. It is so much better with the suspension. Never in a million years would we ever bring it to this place without the suspension that it has on it. This is still way too rough for what we built this thing for. Obviously, it's meant to be on ice and, you know, ripping around sort of my property, which is pretty smooth. So yeah, extremely happy with it. We've got a ton of other content coming up, other projects and stuff that we're going to build. We are going to build a second one of these. However, it's probably just going to be, we'll just do a time lapse, I'd say.
I think so.
Yeah, because you guys have probably seen plenty of content on this. It's good enough.
It's pretty detailed about how we did everything with the suspension and setup. So people should be able, if they want to do something similar, you guys should have seen enough footage to kind of aim for the same thing. So the second one, I think a time lapse from somewhere, different footage of us doing it. It's going to be a little different, but it'll be very, very similar.
Yeah. They're quick and dirty. And then, yeah, we'll get more content of two of these things out there ripping around the ice. Yeah, so, you know, like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what you would do and how you would do it, or if you would do things differently. And yeah, I think we want to try and get an ice race going here somewhere. So we've got a bunch of frozen lakes here in the winter, and we're only just north of the border. So what do you think?
Yeah, like, guys, please tag some people that you know that have built these things. We know that there's others that are out there. Grindhard obviously built some of the coolest ones, some of the first ones, but there's other ones out there. I've seen them. It'd be great if you guys tag those people in it so we can get to know them, maybe get in contact with these people, and let's get an ice race going like he's saying. We got some cool lakes. It'd be awesome to see a whole bunch of these things on a race course, on a lake, side by side, you know, carnage. See who's the fastest. Everybody claims they're the fastest, but let's actually find out who's the fastest. I know there's 450s, there's electric ones, there's all sorts of stuff. Let's get them together.
Yeah, probably not too many two-strokes out there.
Yeah, probably not too many two-strokes like this one. So let's get them together. It'd be really cool. So yeah, please tag those people in the top comment. I'll pin a comment. Let's see if we can get something together this coming winter.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. So join us for the next one, for the next project. Thanks for watching these videos. We'll see you next time.
Yeah, sounds good. Let's do it. By the way, ours is the fastest.